If you're about installing your solar security camera now or in the near future, then this video is for you. Here are top mistakes to avoid. First up, mounting the solar panels where the sun barely touches. Remember, it's a solar security camera and no sunlight means no power. You need to place your solar panels where it at least gets 6 hours of sunlight for your camera. Next up, your camera needs internet connection to work, so you need to ensure a stable connection. This will help to stream live footage and send you motion alerts. You can use a router on MiFi with the strongest network provider in your area. Now, the same way your mobile devices require storage to store or download anything, that applies to your camera too. No SD card or cloud backup means no recordings. So always set this up on the U-Box app before walking away. The app you use for each camera differs, but you can also refer to the product leaflet. So to find out the app, you need to set this up. Next up, a back camera angle means blind spots. Here's what to do. After installing, test the live feed to make sure it covers the right areas. Your gate, doors, blind corners. Now, the last one. If your solar security camera isn't tightly secured, it might shift out of position or even fall. Always tighten the screws and use strong mounts. This will save you on windy or rainy days. If you successfully avoid these mistakes, you enjoy 24/7 solar powered protection with peace of mind. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel, or if you need more enquiries, use the link in the description below to send us a message.